yeah, everything is okay. Just dropped something.
Cuando quiera.
Yeah, yeah. Dropped a GoPro mount on the motorway. I know it was dangerous. First I thought I should just let it go. Yeah, everything is okay. Just dropped something.
Cuando quiera.
Yeah, yeah. Within like 2 minutes, the police car arrived. My goodness, I don't know how they found out. They must be looking through some satellites. So they thought the bike maybe has broken down. Oh, very nice. That's impressive. Trouble. fill up the bike again. Thirsty bike needs filling again. Oh god, and I need a little bit of rest. Oh god, 220 more miles to go all the way to Cádiz. So I have done 410 miles already. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so let's go and pay. Have a quick 10 minutes break. I haven't had a lunch today, but it's okay. I am thinking maybe to do another 50 more. Yeah, 50 to 60 more miles, and then find a place. I don't know where I'm gonna stay tonight, but we'll find out. Let's go. Gracias. No, I'm okay, thank you. Okay. Poor these fuel people who work at the fuel station. They got quite a difficult job. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pumps to look after, but then go back and then serve at the till. So it's not an easy job. So let me pull up the bike a little bit further down and then have a little rest. Okay, so look at the beautiful sun, and it is 7:45. Can't believe that. Okay, so I'm still here at the fuel station. I've just booked the room for tonight. It's about an hour's ride from here. And it's in my way to Cádiz tomorrow. So I think that would work out. And from there, Cádiz is going to be around 190 miles. That's what it shows. So so meaning that I should be there. Yeah, I think I need to get there, book up my ferry for tomorrow. Okay, so it's, oh gosh, that's so dirty. It's 57 miles. The hotel is 57 miles, and I checked it on the map because I wanted to ensure that it's in my way. So let's find out. Let's go. What's happening? What is happening? Ooh. What is happening? Oh god, the bike is stalled again. Let's see what seems to be the problem. Why it's doing it what it's doing. It sounds a little bit... Oh.
¿Tienes arrancador? ¿Arrancador no tienes?
I have got this little toolbox, so maybe we can. Okay, so that battery terminal looks like it's loose again. So let's see if we can. Yeah, thank you. Gracias. I think I really need to go to some bike shops and get this terminal properly clean and then put it back again, because I don't know, even though it's very very tight, but there is a little bit of play in, I mean very tiny little play, and as soon as you touch it, maybe it's rustic or something and needs to be properly undone, and then clean it up and put it back again. Yeah, it's really it's a headache. It's a headache.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Taking me through all those streets, through small villages. Still I've got 10 more miles to go. Not this village, but I think it's the next one after this. But it's an interesting ride to end the day. What an amazing 10 past 9, I think, 9:15. what they say, that you end up being where you are meant to be. So and it's, I'm you know, pretty much a big believer of that. Look at this road. I mean this country road. Okay, just under 9 more miles. It's pretty dark now. I know GoPro does not really reflect the darkness. It doesn't show you how dark it is, but it's pretty dark. Yeah, but it's a beautiful evening though. I mean now it's night almost. I'm going through in the middle of the fields with the fields all around. It's anyway, 7.3 more miles, 11 minutes. I am so tired. Looks like I am the only crazy person here in this place. No one is here. It's a beautiful place though. So you are where you meant to be. That's what it is. You get to the place, no matter how hard you try not to be, but you get there. Looks like I just arrived in the village. Half a mile to go. Where am I going? Going straight. That looks like a nice hotel on the town. Oh wow. Okay. Oh God, thank God I'm here. I am here. Oh, look at that building, such a nice staircase all the way up. It's very typical Spanish architecture. Oh God. I'm so tired, and looks like there are 3 other bikers here as well. Oh, what a day it's been. It has been such a long day. But I'm glad I did 450 miles. So tomorrow I'm down to only about 200 miles. So I'm happy that I did that. I pushed myself. I always push myself too much, and I end up being very uncomfortable. And oh God. Okay, so they need 10 minutes. The room is not ready. I don't know why. They were not expecting a guest to arrive. But yeah, I like this place. I mean, the town it's a beautiful town though. Kind of really like it. I mean, it's a small village. I'm just looking around. Look, the evening. Wow. It's a very nice place. And the hotel. What's it called? Hotel Kika. I'm still waiting. The room is not ready yet. I think they were they ran out of all the rooms because all the rooms are booked. They didn't realize that somebody was coming. So now I think they're just trying to kind of manage last minute room. Maybe it's some staff or something. I don't know. They're just trying to clean it. They said, give me 10 minutes. Now it's already been like 20 minutes. And yeah, but the hotel looks alright. They have got this nice restaurant here as well. So I'm gonna ask them if they've got anything for to eat. So of course they've got just only the drink. It's like a bar, but I hope they have something to eat. Okay. So let's find out how long we have to wait, and then I'll come back down here to see if they have anything for me to grab before I say goodnight. So already like 10:07. I got loads of things to do. They are not ready yet. 5 minutes, 10 minutes turned into 20 minutes, and then the cleaner came and she said that give me 1 minute, and then she said no, give me 5 minutes, and I don't know. I'm so tired. I am dead tired. So these are the fields that this village is all surrounded by. I don't know what they are planting, but they were like orchards, like I think fruit trees, and then oh gosh, it's in the middle of the beautiful place. Even though at some point I thought, I was dead tired, why would I not just find a place on a motorway, because they have got so many, every service station has got hotels, and I don't know why, and I booked this. It was quite inland from the main road, and I thought okay, but it was a beautiful ride though. Very kind of deserted because it's a small village, so you have to come through all those fields for miles and miles, for good about 25 miles of riding through those fields on a very narrow country lane in the middle of night when the light was fading, and my mind was always stuck on the bike. So I got it in here, and that was quarter past 9, and now it's 10:20. It's over 1 hour. That is not acceptable. The hotel is very nice. I love it. The smell. Look at this little dog. He's walking around, and the smell is got such a smell, like in a spa. You are in some sort of place. Very nice. The room is very nice. I like it. Oh wow. That looks very nice. Where is the light? Where is the light? Oh, it's here. Okay. Wow, that looks very nice. Okay. Okay, so basically the room is for staff because it is private outside. So I think they ran out of all the rooms, and ran out, I mean they had all the room booked already, but I think the floor is still wet because they just did last minute cleaning. But it's alright, I'm just only here for a few hours. I'm gonna quickly wash up and see if they've got anything to eat.